you go. How about you? Come on, sweetie. There you go. You want a bite? How about you? You good? Oh, good stuff. There you go. Good. Good baby. You full already? Definitely not eating as much as they were, which is nice. Eating on their own.
It's like they're eating to be polite.
Yeah. Nice. Oh. What's that, huh? You're a good boy. Is that good, Gizmo? Hmm? Good stuff? You bits. Watch her spit it out, yeah. Hi. Want come up? Yes, you do. You like sitting on the mama? Gizmo. You bite? Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy you are. Funny, he wanted to sit on my hand.
Mm-hmm. Yep. There's a bird on me.
I have a hat.
Ah, that's a good baby.
I
Down.
hope it doesn't mean she pooped on my head.
I'll check in a minute. Down.
No. It's not a roost. It's not a roost. How about you? Want a bite?
Spotty waiting for
Fallout.
fallout. Yeah.
Yep. Hi. Another bite? Here you go. Want another one? You guys pretty full? Yeah. Sorry. Here you go. Yep. So I'm done. I'm done, Mama.